Hello, my name is Corinne Morgan, and this is my presentation on the Coca-Cola Company. In this PowerPoint, I will be detailing one of Coca-Cola's major issues it is facing and the consequences thereof, their organizational structure and their influence, and finally, I will describe where this company fits in the world of conscious capitalism. Coca-Cola is underperforming and facing a major pollution issue when it comes to their plastic production. Of the eight dimensions, this falls under the dimension of the social responsibility to the community and the environment. According to Ramoni, 2.9 million tons of plastic waste per year it uses and about 200,000 plastic bottles per minute, amounting to about one-fifth of the world's polyethylene terephthalate (PET) bottle output. This plastic production also relies on fossil fuels, resulting in significant CO2 emissions. There seem to be no consequences, however, for this company. According to an article written by Daniel Thomas, Coca-Cola's head of sustainability was quoted saying, Coca-Cola will not ditch single-use plastic bottles because consumers still want them. As far as ramifications go, this underperformance of pollution could alienate customers, presumably those more eco-conscious, and subsequently hit sales, the article continues. According to an article by the Word Howard International, Coca-Cola's structure and design is comprised of a tall hierarchy with a matrix structure. As a very large company with over 80,000 workers and 300 bottle partners worldwide, this hierarchy choice is logical. This goes the same for their matrix structure choice, as there are many different project and product teams in which employees respond to the boss of that said project team and their functional manager within the company. In addition, the article also states that as part of their culture relationship, the Coca-Cola system, with their bottling partners and the trust built by them and customers, is at the heart of the organization. According to Chua et al. 2020, in 2018, Coca-Cola Company announced its new version of No Waste of the World by collecting and recycling every bottle or jar of its products by 2030 and increasing the amount of recycled materials used by many bottles or cans. An average of 50% and all packaging can be 100% recycled by 2025. To improve this organization using the eight-step process, a bold statement to urge change must first be created by the head CEO. Next, volunteers from within, specifically those who believe in environmental health and have a passion for the environmental climate, will make up our built coalition. After that, we will inform the public how we are now different from our plastic polluted past and our plans to end it. This will subsequently inspire the fourth step of enlisting a volunteer army. Those who hear and believe our new mission statement and share our new purpose will join the urgent cause. Unfortunately, not everyone will share that purpose, and those who do not cannot benefit the company and will have to be removed from the organization. The makeup of an efficient hierarchy, as well as bottling partners who refuse to participate in the new direction. For each new sustainable invention we create, we will celebrate as a step in the right direction, motivating us to continue to find greener alternatives and boosting morale. Using this acceleration from our wins of removing plastic from our production, we will earn trust and credibility from the public and have more confidence in our new policies and systems. It works. Finally, the last step in this plan is articulating the connection of our new form of environmentally conscious thinking and ensuring that seniority managers are on course with the purpose of changing materials and that the betterment of the environment, because of our impact, is solid and factual. This will encourage this new way not to revert back to plastic, unsustainable materials. Possible challenges that might arise are as follows. Because of such a change in manufacturing and distribution, We will have to find different bottlers for our different material. Meanwhile, this may cause a fall in sales. Another challenge may be the said new material. It may be more expensive and not easily made. A final risk is that this organizational change is itself a risk. That risk may be too risky for stockholders, and they might sell their shares until confidence is rebuilt in the organization. I will lead my team with ethical leadership, as this pertains closely to the change in our organization. My behavior and conduct is what I want my employees to look up to and model after, since I myself will be following the new code of ethics of our policies. I leave you with these questions. What do you think the future of plastic replacement will be? And also, should organizations face repercussions for continuing unethical environmental choices? Listed here are my references. Thank you.